On tonight's episode of The Seasoned Dish, we're making honey chipotle fried chicken. First, I'm going to pour milk into my 9x12 baking dish, add in 4 eggs, place my chicken legs in there, cover and let it marinate for about 1 hour. In a separate bowl, I'm going to mix together 2 cups of flour and 1 tablespoonful of the Milford Spice Company's honey chipotle seasoning. I'm going to pull each chicken leg out of the egg and milk mixture, dip it into the flour mixture, back into the egg mixture, and back into the flour mixture until each drumstick is fully and evenly coated. While I'm breading the chicken, I have the oil heating up in the deep fryer. My frying basket will hold 4 drumsticks at a time, and I'll cook them until they're golden brown and have an internal temperature of at least 165. Yes, I have to check the temperature of every single piece. These turned out so good and is Picky Toddler approved. Let me know if you try it out and how you like it.